Hello, and welcome to Magic Feather Production. What we're going to be making now for the cultist Mothman costume, the little purses and knapsacks they have hanging around their belt. What you're going to need? Duct tape. Just that duct tape. Yes, you don't have to make it. You can get professional stuff like this. Just be wary where you get these things. You know, any material could end up not the way you wanted it to be. I went to get key rings for, key rings. And I went on Temu because I thought it was cheap, and this is what I got. We'll also be using some hot glue. So about a foot long. Then we'll put another on the other side, so it's not sticky on either one. Okay, that one was my fault. There we go. Now we do that about 5 to 10 times. What I did was I double-sided the duct tape. Ta-da. Now I just gotta trim it, because what's gonna happen is this. These two are gonna be the sides. This is gonna be the bottom. Is put this over here, like that. Put some tape on the inside here so they stick. Now we're gonna get some Plasti Dip and spray it on there. And when it's done drying, we're gonna paint it with some spray paint. Yeah, looks like the all right color. This is a scratch mark, and I'm gonna sew that. What I did with this one is I painted it with a teal green. This is the color right here. Then I got some dark brown and spray painted it. And while it was still wet, I got tissue and made it that look kind of weather worn. So I got some authentic leather, and I'm going to get a press, glue it, and then put buttons here. Okay, we're gonna burn 3 holes. Electrical tape. Can hot glue this and this so we could snip. I hot glued a magnet here, and then I hot glued a magnet there. So when I do this,
hey, that's pretty good.
as you can tell, it's slightly snowing outside.
Yes, I can tell.
Look at my kid's head. Pretty beautiful. But that's not gonna stop me from working. So I looked at some more of the Fallout pouches that they have, and they seem to be stupidly woven, like they just didn't care about what they were made out of. This is the one I was making. I spray painted it with fossil satin. Sounds good enough. I also purposely X-Acto-knifed a cut right here, and then I got some waxed thin leather string and tied it, and then super glued it together. I also wove this right here with shoelace. So I'm gonna stitch and hot glue the Velcro here and here. Okay, I think that'll do for now. Right there. Bang. Here, should work. that belt buckle that they're using in the video game kind of looks like the ones you would see in a 1960s or 80s classic car. Or like one of these belts right here. Look at that. Watch. Oh, such a satisfying sound. So I'm going with these belts. Plus it's going to be easy to sew through. Put a sheath or maybe just some elastic and stick it on there so I can put my nice cultist dagger that I made onto the belt. I'm also going to try and stick these bones on here to make it a little more creepy. And voila, my version of the Mothman cultist belt.
Yeah, boy.
I have a little piece of rope right here that I can hold on, and it dangles. I got some old rope that was decaying next to a old boat in the lake. This was the first project I was working on. It was magnetic. Maybe I could put, like, I don't know, maybe a energy drink in there. This right here, I could probably put some money or maybe some supplies, first aid. I don't know, I don't care. This right here I already made a long time ago. It was a piece of hide, so I just decided to put that on there myself. Not only I can put my cultist dagger on there, I can also rearrange where I want to put my little pouches. See, they're not completely stuck on there. I was thinking of putting the cultist dagger in like this, but it's way too tight. It won't go all the way in. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks, and I'll see you later.